Hi everybody, I'm Carolina. I'm the Learning Experience Manager here at Coursebox. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a SCORM file from Coursebox and into your own LMS. So let's get started. SCORM is basically a file format that lets your course work inside your own LMS. It makes everything work behind the scenes, tracking progress, recording completions, and making sure your course talks to your LMS. But before you can export a SCORM file, you need to make sure that your courses are published. So let's take a look at how we do that. So from your Coursebox dashboard, select the course that you want to publish. I'm going to select this one. And you land in the course page. To publish your course is quite easy with Coursebox. So you just go up the top right hand corner and click the share button. And as you can see, my course is still in draft mode. So if I click that, I get a couple of options down here and how to publish it. I'm going to go for restricted. And then I get a prompt at the top that says my course is being published. If the course isn't published, the SCORM export might not appear or might not work properly. And then when you try and upload it to your own LMS, it might not work. So I suggest taking a look at this step and just checking that your courses are published before you go any further. So now that you've published your course, let's go and export it to SCORM. So we'll go back to our share button up here. And there's a number of ways you can share courses with Coursebox, but in this tutorial, we're focusing on SCORM. So I'm just going to click SCORM. And then you'll see two options, SCORM 1.2 or 2004. This is dependent on your LMS, but if you're unsure and you don't know, the best way to go is 1.2 because it's mostly supported by the majority of the LMSs. So that's what I'm going to do. And as you can see, my SCORM package has been downloaded up here as a zip file. Now this zip file is my entire course and it's now ready to be imported to my LMS. Coursebox uses live sync SCORM, which means that your course stays connected to Coursebox and any updates you do in your courses in Coursebox, they carry through and sync with your LMS. AI features also continue to work. Because of these, you need to always make sure that your account stays active and your courses remain published because either one of those changes can affect the SCORM connection. It can break and the tracking and syncing will stop working. Okay, so now we're ready to upload our SCORM file to our own LMS. So you go to your LMS, you log in as usual, and then you select the upload, whatever way it is for you. I have already imported the SCORM package over here, and as you can see, it's completed and working and ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Coursebox course and uploaded it into your LMS. Don't forget to join us for our monthly webinars and follow us on social media to stay up to date with the tips, features, and best practices. Check out our other tutorials as well. They're very useful. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.